looking for a home which is a good blend of contemporary architecture and a classic interiors, then your wait is over. Hi, this is Vani Sharma from Hitech Homes and welcome back to our channel where we show you your dream home through a virtual tour. This property is 300 square yards, 4 BHK. Watch till end to know more about this property and the specifications. Right now I'm standing in a living and dining area. As you can see, this has a very big space and it can be divided into family lounge also. As you can see, they have given a beautiful partition so that you have a different area for the worship, and then there's your dining area extended. If I talk about the layout of this property, right now I'm standing at the center of the house. This is the only room which is not connected with any balcony. If I talk about another 2 rooms, they are connected with back balcony, and then we have a kitchen over here. Now let's move towards our bedroom number 1. So this is our bedroom number 1, which has very classic interiors, and the white color makes rooms more bigger. And here is a secret door towards the washroom. The best part about the washroom is that all the wardrobes are inside the washroom, and inside the washroom we get sanitary fittings of the company Grohe, and we have a separate shower area which you can see, which has black detailing going on. Now let's move towards bedroom number 2. So this is a powder washroom which is also a common washroom with the second room. This is a second bedroom. Again, it comes with very classic interiors and a character wall. Also, the wardrobes of the room is right here. Now, as I told you, the attached washroom is a common washroom with a powder washroom. Now let's move forward towards the kitchen first. While going towards the kitchen, this is the area which can be converted into a family lounge. As we enter in the kitchen, on the right side, we have a separate area for the refrigerator. Then we have oven and microwave. Of course, we have very functional chimney and hob with us. Also, if I talk wet area, it's just right here. So it makes very easy to service, because sometimes we have a lot of utensils and when we are busy, we don't know where to keep them. So just enter the kitchen and keep them right here. Now let's move towards the bedroom number 3. This is bedroom number 3, which comes with walk-in wardrobe. And if I talk about the interiors, it's very nice. You can see in the wardrobe, we have LED lights also. Again, the washroom is quite spacious and comes with sanitary fittings of Grohe. Here comes the master bedroom, and here comes the washroom of the master bedroom. Just behind me is a wardrobe which comes with custom crafted fabric panel, and it is very, very timeless. You know, this is a very smooth finish and I personally like this design. So this is the washroom, and now let's move towards the bedroom area. So this is a master bedroom which comes with full size of wardrobe in the room and a character wall. This will be your bedside area, and this room is connected with the back balcony. Now let's move towards the back balcony. So this is the back balcony. The extended area is really spacious. You can put a grass here, and this can be well decorated and well used if you ask me. Now let's talk about the specification of this property. This property is 300 square yards, 4 BHK. All 4 floors are available. Even top floor is also available. This is a beautiful terrace area which is available with 4th floor. On this terrace area, we get a pantry, a washroom and a pergola. Let me tell you one more thing. This property is just few steps away from Galleria Market. This is nearest to Golf Course Road also. If you live in Delhi, this property has very strong connectivity, so don't miss out. Call us on the numbers given below right away and let's plan a visit. Till then, subscribe to our channel Hitech Homes and follow us on Instagram, Hitech Homes Luxury.